let's learn how to turn any photo into beautiful sketched artwork in Photoshop using this awesome Photoshop action. So to get this action, you're going to need to go to Envato Elements, elements.envato.com. Make sure you have an account, and the add-on you want is Illustration Sketch Painting Photoshop Action. Click the action, press download, and remember, if using this for commercial purposes, you will need to assign this a license. So assign the license and download. Locate your download file. So here's the zip, double click it to open it. And then here I have my folder, and inside there are 3 files that need to be installed. So we'll do that shortly. Open Photoshop and open up the image you would like to use the action on. Come to File, Open. Locate the image, so mine's in my Images folder, and press Open. Next, let's install the action. So come to File, Open. Locate the action. So mine was in the Plugins folder. Here's the folder. So I need to open the pattern, the brush, and the action file in Photoshop. So under Enable, select All Documents. This will now allow you to open all 3. Click the top one, hold Shift, and click to select all 3, and press Open to install these in Photoshop. Before we run the action, double check a few things. So in your Layers panel, click the button on the right, come to Panel Options, and make sure Use Default Masks, Expand New Effects, and Add Copy to Copied Layers are all turned on and checked. Come to the Brush tool, make sure your mode is set to normal and both your opacity and flow are set to 100%. Come to your Layers panel and create a new layer. Select a brush that you want to use to brush over the area you're going to apply the action to. So I'm going to select a bristle brush, click off, make sure I've got a solid color selected, and I'm now going to paint over the area on the new layer that I want to apply this action to. Once your layer is ready, come to Window, Actions, locate the action, so you're looking for Illustration, Sketch Painting, select which version you'd like. So for me, this will be the CC 2015 all the way up to 2021 plus onwards, because I'm in version 2023. And finally, press play to run the action. This could take several minutes depending on your processor speed and your RAM, so you will need to give it time. And there you go. In no time at all, the beautiful sketch is complete. So toggle off the actions. As you can see, the action has generated multiple layers in multiple folders. You can toggle these on or off depending on preference, and you can turn off certain elements as well from the layers. So for example, I can turn off this outline layer here. So there you have it. That's an awesome Photoshop action that you can get from Envato Elements that will turn any photograph into a beautiful sketch that is then editable in the Layers panel. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.